Hey y'all, this is how I make my pig feet. This is what I'm starting off with. We're gonna season that mug. Season her down, honey. Okay? And then we're gonna go in with the garlic. Don't be too shy now. Don't be too shy with the garlic. Okay. So that's the garlic. Then we're gonna go in with the onion powder. Okay, so that's the onion powder. See, this is wrong. This is the order is wrong. So this is the oregano. I'm gonna put in 2 packs of the Goya Sazon. Oh, snaps up! I'll drop my phone. Okay. This is gonna give it a certain flavor, and it's gonna make it red, kind of reddish or whatever. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with some oregano. Dang it, these things aren't even open. Okay, we got the oregano open. We're gonna put that booger on there. This thing coming out so slow. Now don't be scared now, don't be scared. Season that mug. Why is this stuff coming out so slow? Okay, well now we're gonna go in with the crushed red pepper. God. Okay, here's the crushed red pepper. Throw that mug on there. Do some spice. Okay. And then we're gonna go in with the salts and stuff. And I'm gonna put in Slap Your Mama. Wait, is that thing open? It's a brand new bottle. Okay. This is the salt now. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the adobo. I should have put this before the Slap Your Mama, but it don't matter. It's the salt, so. Okay. Bam! And that's all for the salt. Okay? But before, let me flip this around. So before you prep this, clean them feet, shave the mugs. I let mine soak in water and vinegar so it can clean it or whatever. But I still clean it right after that. I rinse it out and then I clean it. But then, okay. What else I gotta put in there? It feels like I'm forgetting something. Okay. But we're gonna go in. This is supposed to go last. This is supposed to go with the water, or right before the water. Don't use tap water. Use filtered water to make your foods. Okay, now we're gonna put some onions up in there. You know, that bag is like not working. And while you're cleaning your stuff, getting this all ready, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna go in with the bell pepper. My bad, dang. I'm all messing up and stuff. Okay, bam. See how that's coming out and stuff? Okay, so now what we do is we're gonna add some minced garlic. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, it just falls. Let's scoop that bad boy. We're gonna put that like that. We're gonna put some more on there. Okay. So the garlic is done. So the next thing after that, after it's looking like this, we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar. But we're not gonna put too much in there. I'm gonna shake that mug up. Watch how much I put in here. That's it. That is it. You don't need a lot. I know a lot of people, they put too much vinegar in it, and that it just smells too much like feets and stuff like that, which it is feets, but we ain't trying to make it all pickled and stuff. Okay, so basically what the vinegar is to basically tenderize it. Okay, so now let me make sure my water is done filtering. I don't think it is. It still got some water in there, but we gonna do some anyway. And we're gonna fill it up until it's like almost by the rim. I'm trying to get it to the point where this water will go down. You see how this water is still like kind of, it's going down. It's getting there. Dang it. Let me just be patient. Okay, this water is done. So we're gonna pour more up in that mug. Like right there. This pig feet is trying to come out. Don't want to be in this bath, but okay, that's good. Enough water right here. I'm gonna push that bad boy in there, honey. Get in there. Okay. Bam. I wouldn't add some more oregano because I felt like nothing came out, so you gotta taste my food. But I'm gonna put the foil on, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for like 3 hours on 400.